Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to a new video. Today I am creating a spring card for little Birdie. This is very cheerful card with beautiful little Birdie products. And I'm starting with the papers. I'm going to use Birds and Berris collection. We've got lots of elements to cut out here, and I'm going to use one doily, which I will divide into two pieces later. I'm going to cut out some elements, and I'm going to use two beautiful papers, one for the bottom and one for the top layer. As usual, for my first layer I'm using glue and I'm going to attach it flat to the card. For the second layer I am using double-sided foam pads, and I have also added machine stitches to my top layer. I've got also a few elements which I cut out of the sheet with the elements, and I have one die cut circle which is the same pattern as my top layer. And then I'm going to add few more embellishments. I'm going to use some flowers, die cut leaves, moss, string, a piece of ribbon. So these are the things which most of us crafters usually have at home, but if you will be looking for something particular, just check my description box because I will try to list all the products used there. On the sheet with elements to cut out you will find few sentiments. I have chosen the one which says "Every day is a new beginning." Spring just started and I thought that will be a great sentiment for the season and also for that card. For most of the elements I will be using double-sided foam pads or pieces of cardboard, chipboard, whatever you have at home. I will not be stacking them flat to the card because I want to create nice dimension and I want everything be 3D. That's why I'm using those distancing, pieces for each layer and for every element. On the table I have few flowers. At that point I wasn't sure which flower I'm going to use, but I like to use one bigger flower and then few smaller, and I like to use a lot of leaves, so I have quite many die cut leaves, and also I have green berries and the berries which I cut out of the papers. So I'm going to create the composition in the left bottom corner of my card. If you never have seen little Birdie flowers, I want to tell you that these are very pretty, really nice, sturdy. They are made out of thick paper and they are all handmade, so very unique and really beautiful. So if you haven't seen them, visit Little Birdie store, check their collections. There is like hundreds of flowers and they are all really nice. I'm going to leave you now for a few minutes while I'm creating the composition, and I will say a few words at the end of the video. To finish my card, I'm using white gesso and ordinary kitchen sponge, and I'm going to apply the gesso on the edges of the flowers and on the edges of the leaves to blend the whole composition together, and it will give it also a shabby chic look. And then I am going to add some splats of a white acrylic paint, and my last step will be adding glitter. I am adding a clear glitter, so it is important to use glue or gel medium which dries clear, and then you can add it in the places where you want to have your glitter. And this is it for today. My card is ready. I hope you like it. I really like it, and the colors are very beautiful, and I hope you like the video as well. I also want to encourage you to visit Little Birdie blog. They have lots of inspirations there, or to visit Little Birdie store to see their beautiful products, and I'm hoping you will be back here soon. Thank you so much for today, for watching my videos and supporting, and have a lovely creative day. Take care. Bye bye.